Now let's talk pants. These are all from Rynox with Nox protection on your knees and also on your hips. It's actually weirdest, but I'm not saying this in a negative way. It is actually good. It is the weirdest design of hip protection that I've ever seen, because it covers quite a wide area. So that's good. Thank you. And yeah, let's get this out of the way. I'll get to this in a second. These pants are called Storm Evo Noctex pants. So the Noctex material is actually designed by Rynox. This gray material that you see on the side, I'm not sure if you can see, but I'll put a photo in more detail so that you can observe as well. So this material is designed by Rynox to be able to increase the visibility at night. Now this is not like that very bright gray material that you have on the pants. It is a little bit darker, so it looks a lot better in my opinion. So it has air vents here on the sides, here, and also here on your leg as well. So this is not like waterproof winter pants, but this is what I chose because I usually ride in good conditions. I mean, if it gets rainy, then I can just put my riding pants on, and underneath you will have like an inner liner which works similarly to the Surge winter jacket. It goes underneath and keeps your legs nice and warm. I mean, it is winter time here, so it's maybe 4 degrees, 3 degrees, and with these pants I can just easily wear them without feeling cold. Now if it's quite windy when you're riding, maybe after a long duration of riding, you might want to consider wearing another like rain pants on top of this to be able to block the wind, but till now it was just fine. It wasn't a long ride, so I'm quite happy with the purchase. It has a zip line all the way from the bottom to the up. It was my phone. I thought it was like a rat or something. I'm a coward. Anyways, so you have 2 options to wear these pants. So you can just wear them, tuck them underneath your riding boots, or you can wear over them. I mean, I just don't like the looks of it when you have it like on top of it. Just doesn't look nice at all. So this is how I wear them, and right now they're a little bit dirty, but I mean, you do wear them, so they're supposed to get dirty. Who cares? And yeah, well, it has pockets, adjustable waist and everything, so all good. All right, so last but not least, the waist pouch. Now this has been made by Rynox as well, and it is something that I wanted for a long time actually, because I've always suffered from non-waterproof waist pouches. I was always worried about my stuff getting wet in my waist pouch when it was raining, and I always had to just tuck them underneath the jacket, and it's just a struggle. You just want to have a peace of mind and not worry about your items inside your waist pouch while you're riding, because it's going to be your phone, it's going to be your wallet, and the money, that's all possibly going to get wet, and you just want to avoid that. That's why I had my eyes on the Rynox waterproof waist pouch for some long time, and now I have it. Now let me just start with the waterproof area. Now it comes with a waterproof bag that you can place inside the waist pouch itself. The bag isn't waterproof from the outside, but you make it waterproof from the inside. So all the stuff that you want to keep dry, you just tuck them in. And I usually have my camera inside. This is my small action camera. I have a gimbal here as well, a small one. I want to keep them dry, so just put them inside, roll it 3 times, and voila, it is waterproof. I can just throw this inside the lake, I guess, and it should be waterproof. You have another pocket here, which is like a semi-open pocket, which is good on the motorcycle, but because sometimes you do forget to zip your pocket on your bag, and you just don't want to be losing stuff as you go. So having a half open pocket like this, it's also something else to have a peace of mind on. So I have my wallet here for now, so because it's not raining, I just put it here. It's more convenient. And I have a couple of keys and some bits and pieces on this half pocket, which is actually quite big, but the access is limited so that you don't open it fully and lose stuff, which wouldn't be nice at all. One more pocket, which is right here. This is actually the lid, so it's the easiest to access when it's on your waist. So you just open it and you have your phone or your other items. I have my memory cards in this, so some quick access items that I want to reach as I go. And you just close the lid from the top and you should be good to go. Now this is the waist pouch from Rynox. And let me just mention a couple of other perks here. There's a possible bottle holder, a small one, should do the job perfectly. If you're not using it, you can just clip it and have a smaller footprint on it. And also on the side you have a zipped pocket, which is probably useful for, maybe I'll put my lighter there or something else. Maybe some important small documents like receipts or so. And on the left side you have another elastic pouch if you want to put something, maybe some spare batteries, I'm not sure. And on the side here as well. So as you can see, all of the areas are used quite well to be able to accommodate items, your needs. I think it's a good bag. It is sturdy, it is hard, the fabric of it, the stitches, everything just feels nice and sturdy, as a motorcycle waist pouch should be, in my opinion. So I'm just quite happy with this. Alright, so this was all the Rynox gear that I plan to talk for today. So just let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, if you're using Rynox gears, if you have any opinions, any ideas of what you want to see from me talking about Rynox gears. So keep on riding and ride safe.